Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to comment big stickers on TikTok. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your TikTok application. And here you have it. I have a video. Simply click on inbox, go to your messages, and go to any one of these contacts. And simply click on this sticker icon beside the picture icon. And now we can add multiple stickers. You can simply click on the magnifying glass and search for any sticker that you want to send. Or if you want to add a specific one to favorites, simply click on the star icon and you have it in the favorites section. So this is how you can actually use it. If you have a problem using them, you can go and click on your profile on the bottom right side, then go and click on the top right side on your settings, go to settings and privacy, then scroll down till you find report a problem. Click on it, then scroll down again till you find chat with us. Then now you can contact TikTok support. So tell them exactly what's your problem and that you cannot actually send stickers. And if you still have the problem, go to Play Store and search if you have any updates to TikTok itself. And if you have an update, just update it and your problem will be fixed. And you can even go and restart your phone. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.